Hai, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Diyanah binti Yazro. I'm from Razzi. My college number is PB201105. Today, I would like to present some discuss about balanced diet. I'm going to interview some of my family about this topic. First question, can you briefly introduce yourself and tell what is your age, weight and height?
Hi, I'm Mazlifa binti Sheno. I'm 39 years old. I'm a housewife and my weight is about 80 kg. My height range is 163 cm.
Second question, what do you know about balanced diet?
A balanced diet is a diet that contains differing kinds of foods in certain quantities and proportions so that the requirement for calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins and alternative nutrients adequate and small provision is reserved for additional nutrients to endure the short length of leanness.
Third question, what is your daily diet?
Usually I didn't take my breakfast. Then I will cook for lunch around 2 p.m. And then for dinner I will take before 8 p.m. I will drink plain water 3 liters daily.
And the last question, how do you maintain your health?
Every day before sleep I will follow my daily routine, which is doing Tabata around 15 minutes and other exercise for another 15 minutes.
Hi, my name is Diyanah. I am 21 years old and currently my weight is 50 kilograms. My height is 160 meters. In my opinion, balanced diet is about consuming healthy food that consists an adequate amount of nutrients that need for your health. A daily diet means by taking healthy meal on time and not skipping your meal. To maintain healthy and active, I will go out for a quick workout at least twice a week, and also I reduce my sugar and oil in my meal because it is unhealthy.
Whatever that we eat every day, we must maintain a nutrition and do healthy activity.